Hello friends. Today we have started the journey for the Trimbakeshwar temple, Nashik, India. The clean railway station. We sanitize our seats. Trimbakeshwar Shiva Jyotirlinga Mandir is an ancient Hindu temple in the town of Trimbak in the Trimbakeshwar Tehsil in the Nashik district of Maharashtra, India. 28 km from the city of Nashik and 40 km from Nashik Road. It is dedicated to the Lord Shiva and is one of the 12 Jyotirlingas. The temple is located between three hills, namely Brahmagiri, Nilagiri and Kalagiri. The temple has three lingams, an iconic form of Shiva, representing Shiva, Vishnu and Brahma. Trimbakeshwar is a religious center having one of the 12 Jyotirlingas. The extraordinary feature of the Jyotirlinga located here is its three faces embodying Lord Brahma, Lord Vishnu and Lord Rudra. Due to the excessive use of water, the linga has started to erode. It is said that this erosion symbolizes the eroding nature of human society. The linga are carved by a jeweled crown which is placed over the gold mask of Tridev, Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh. The crown is said to be from the age of Pandavas and consists of diamonds, emeralds and many precious stones. The crown is displayed every Monday from 4 to 5 pm. All other Jyotirlingas have Shiva as the main deity. The entire black stone temple is known for its appealing architecture and sculpture and is at the foothills of a mountain called Brahmagiri. Three sources of the Godavari originate from the Brahmagiri mountain. Lord Shiva showed himself as a Jyotirlinga on the night of the Ardra Nakshatra. It is believed that a person can see the Jyotirlingas as column of fire piercing through the earth as he reaches a higher level of spiritual attainment. Each Jyotirlinga site takes the name of the presiding deity. Basically, the Jyotirlinga signifies the infinite nature of Lord Shiva. At the highest level, Shiva is regarded as formless, limitless, transcendent and unchanging absolute Brahma and the primal Atman.
में लिंग है ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेश 12 ज्योतिर्लिंग में 10वां ज्योतिर्लिंग है। हर जगह ऊपर शिवलिंग रहता है, इधर गड्ढे में 3 है, शिव जी विष्णु ब्रह्मा जी। तो शिव जी का लिंग है, उसके ऊपर से गोदावरी का पानी आता है। गोदावरी का जन्म स्थान ये पहाड़ के बैक साइड में शंकर जी ने जाटा मारी। गाँव में कुशावर तक उन्हें 12 साल का कुंभ मेला उधर ही होता है।
The Jyotirlinga is the supreme partless reality out of which Shiva partially appears. The Jyotirlinga shrines thus are places where Shiva appeared as a fiery column of light. Originally, there were believed to be 64 Jyotirlingas, while 12 of them are considered to be very auspicious and holy. Each of the 12 Jyotirlinga sites take the name of the presiding deity, each considered different manifestation of Shiva. At all these sites, the primary image is Linga.